Hi Adam, so today we're going to show you this video on how to switch your 2-inch jet for the jet body that was broken. So the first thing you receive is the jet body with the gasket and with the nut. So the first thing you need to do is remove the nut. And then you stick the jet body from the inside so that it sticks out of the hole. Then after that, you're going to put some silicone around the jet body. Make sure you get it all the way around. And then you're going to put in the nut like so. And you hand tighten it first. And then with some pliers, pretty large front settings, you start twisting it. That way you're getting a tight seal on the inside with the gasket. And then the silicone will help keep the nut in place and avoid any leaks in case the gasket gets squished. Okay? Make sure it's pretty tight. With your finger, go around the silicone. It could be white silicone or it could be transparent silicone. It doesn't matter. So after that, with the you grab that same pliers and you open up the ring and you put it inside the hose that we sent you. So we sent you both the ring, the hose. You're gonna put some glue on the jet body that you're changing, and then you stick the hose inside, all the way in. With the pliers, you carefully get the clip on and you let it go. Okay, so that would be the putting the jet there. Now the second part is getting that jet. Make sure you cut enough so that you can have enough hose, 3/4 inch hose, that you can have a union to the next part, which is tricky. So we also sent you a coupler. What we did is 1/2 inch hose. We sent you a piece, we cut it in half. Make sure you put glue on both the hose, the 3/4 inch hose and the 1/2 inch hose, and then you trick it inside so it's halfway there. Okay, after that, you grab the hose that's already there, the old hose is what's holding on to the jet body. Again, put glue on both the coupler and the 3/4 inch hose, and voila. You hold it there for a little while, and then you should be good to go. That's it, okay? If you need anything else, please make sure to comment below. Take care. This is Guillermo from Pacifica Hot Tubs.